आज की इस वीडियो में दोस्तों मैं आपको प्रिंट ऑन डिमांड के बारे में पूरी डिटेल में बताने वाला हूँ कि कैसे आप उसमें डिज़ाइन को क्रिएट करोगे, कैसे आप उसको सेल करोगे, कहाँ आप उसको सेल करोगे, क्या प्रोसेस होती है सेल करने की। तो ये सभी चीज़ें आज की वीडियो में आपको पूरी डिटेल में बताने वाला हूँ। तो अगर आप प्रिंट ऑन डिमांड के बारे में जानना चाहते हो तो इस वीडियो पर आप शुरू से अंत तक जरूर ही बने रहिएगा। So as you can see friends, here is the website of Redbubble, and in these websites you can design your own art, like you can design your hoodies, like your bag, like your phone cover, and also you can design your own stickers. Basically friends, in these websites you need to design a sticker, like here this is the sticker, and you need to create only this, not uh, this color, yeah, this t-shirt size, yeah, this I'm not, you need to just create a sticker. And so in this video I'm also talking about how can you create a sticker in absolutely free. So I am minimizing this and I opening my Canva. If you don't know about Canva, so I tell you, Canva is the most popular uh, platform for photo editings, and here I'm choosing Instagram post because of this is a square. And I'm not uploading Instagram post, basically I'm creating here because of the square. And as you can see, this is the interface of Canva. And in this application you need to go in elements, and after that you need to go graphics. And here you can search like you can search anything, like I'm searching here uh, dog. One second, I'm choosing dog because of example, and I am choosing here this one. As you can see, okay. And firstly I skip to, as you can see our basic designs is here, and I'm not effort to do invest my in my sticker because of I'm making this video will be very long, so I'm making this video very short. And so as you can see, this is the example of a sticker, and you need to click here share, and you need to download. And you need to, this size is increased, and transparent background. If you not purchase this premium, you need to only show size button and not show transparent background, because of, as you can see, here is the premium logo. So if you don't know how to transparent background, you can click down, you can click, you can write down in comments. Definitely I make a video in, and that's video I am talking about how can you make a transparent background for from a normal image. And our design is created, and now I'm going Redbubble. As you can see, this is the website of Redbubble, and all our work is here. So this is my account. And I created some I created some gigs, but no any sell. So I'm, you need to click add new work, and after that, as you can see, this is the interface of Redbubble, and I am human. As you can see, this is next interface of Redbubble. You need to upload new work, and I'm clicking here, and I'm choosing that's image where I'm downloaded here, dog image, as you can see. And I open, and 0% uploaded. As you can see, here is uploading my uh, sticker. And title, I can write title uh, dog hoodies, because of I'm designing this logo on hoodies, so I'm dog hoodies. Once I'm not writing many lines of description, because of basically in this video I'm showing how can you create a logo, and how can you publish your logo. And here is product reviews. Here is many products that you can paste your sticker. And as you can see, in below your cover looks like this. As you can see, here is, you can design a mask, you can design a bag, you can design socks, anything that you can want to. You can design this type of phone covers, you can design uh, pin buttons. As you can see, you can design airboard prints, you can design screen notebooks. Only I'm creating hoodies, so I disabled all products, and I'm choosing this one, standard printing while clothing. And when I'm editing this, I can do like hoodies, because of here is a style and a essential t-shirt here. And I'm going here, and I'm, so as you can see, here is hoodies option, hoodie pullover. As you can see, this is the hoodies. and here is two options of hoodies. So I'm this is zipper type of hoodies, and I'm not searching this zipper hoodies. I am selecting pullover hoodies, as you can see, and that color is not good, so I'm changing the color. And here I'm changing the color of the hoodies, and I think this color is looking good than this color, and so I'm choosing this. Comment below which color is looking good. So finally friends, our hoodie is ready, and I'm saying that my hoodie is not looking good. And if you're trying to do this, you need to do some effort and you need to do some time. You can create a good design. And also friend, here is most popular sticker, so I'm enabling this, and you can see this is our sticker. And I'm scrolling down here, and as you can see, design illustrations, yeah, this is our product type, and this is the collection default product in your shop. And here who can view this work? Anybody, public, because of you can, when you choose only you can see only you, so you need to do anybody. And this is mature content. Yeah, this is mature content, and you need to take here, I have the right to sell products containing this artwork, blah, 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 and save work. And as you can see, add new work in proceeding. And as you can see friends, our design is published. And as you can see friends, our sticker in active t-shirts is looking like this, and or in hoodies is looking like this, pullover hoodies in this, t-shirts in this. And as you can see, how is looking my basic designs. And if you do some effort, you can do also very good in these websites. So friends, tell me in the comment sections how is my video. And if you have any doubt about this video, you can comment below down. And this is my Instagram ID, you can also message here, and definitely I replied you on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can follow me here.